Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on a ketogenic way of eating and how you can be successful in your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here and you're looking for videos on what to eat to lose weight on keto, I'm going to go ahead and link a playlist for you right up here in the cards so that you can see what I ate in order to lose 200 pounds. In this video, I'm going to show what I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. So if you're curious what a person does when they reach their goal weight and they want to stop losing weight for a while or even forever, these are the kinds of things that I eat in order to maintain my weight on keto. So these are not weight loss meals. These are maintenance meals, which means they are fairly high calorie in order to keep my body normalized so that I will not gain or lose weight. At least that's the goal. It's not necessarily set in stone, but I am on my maintenance journey and I'm figuring things out. So if that's what you're looking for, hang in and let's get to the food. Everyone, it's Sunday. It is almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm having my first meal of the day. I'm starting off the day with a regular French toast chaffle. This is made with 2 eggs, 64 grams of mozzarella cheese, and some sweetener and cinnamon and vanilla. Then on top I have a tablespoon of butter and some sugar-free syrup. 4 Falls brand sausage links is addition to it, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Sunday night and I am having basically spaghetti with hamburger sauce. So I have spaghetti squash, 155 grams, 8 ounces of 85/15 ground beef, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and a half a cup of lucini marinara. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am having my first meal of the day. I am having Quest chip nachos, so I have 1 package of nacho cheese Quest chips, 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese, 4 ounces of 85/15 ground beef, 4 tablespoons of salsa, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, and 57 grams or 1 package of holy guacamole, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday night, and tonight is a repeat because I've been craving this. So I'm having, again, the exact same thing I had, 155 grams of spaghetti squash, 8 ounces of 85/15 ground beef, a half a cup of lucini marinara, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon, and today I am having almost back to my regular breakfast that I normally have. I have 2 fried eggs and 4 Falls brand sausages, and then I have 180 grams of 2% Fage Greek yogurt with cherry blackberry Mio, and also 45, I can't know if you can see them, but 45 Baked Believe chocolate chips. So I have kind of like a cherry chocolate yogurt kind of thing. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having pumpkin. We found a pumpkin that had been tucked into the back corner somewhere and it was still good. So it was like a pie pumpkin. So I'm going to have and having a cup and a half of pumpkin, and I have 8 ounces of ground beef mixed with some bouillon and some cream and some water and some xanthan gum as kind of a hamburger gravy on the top. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Wednesday afternoon and I'm breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. These are just my regular French toast chaffles made from 2 eggs, a little bit of sweetener, some vanilla, some cinnamon, and 84 grams of mozzarella cheese and 4 Falls brand sausages, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having spaghetti squash with mozzarella cheese and ground beef. I only had a tiny bit of lucini marinara left, so that's what it ended up looking like, but I think it's still going to be good anyway, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. everyone, it's Thursday, and this is my second meal of the day. The first one was in the movie theater, as I showed earlier, and this one is just 2 fried eggs, 4 Falls brand sausages, a cup of 2% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer with 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. That's gonna be my second meal of the day. Dude, is it your birthday? Don't shoot me. Hey! And this is what I'm having, broccoli Alfredo. I've got 8 ounces of chicken, half a cup of Alfredo, but I can't remember what the brand is, and a cup of broccoli. And that is going to be my last meal of the day.
Oh, is that the trolls? The trolls. Hide under.
Alrighty, everyone. It is Friday afternoon. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. I am having regular French toast chaffles made from 2 eggs, 84 grams of mozzarella cheese, 40 grams of sour cream, some cinnamon, vanilla, sweetener, salt, and then 4 Falls brand sausages. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Friday night, and I am having cream of chicken soup. Just got 4 ounces of chicken, some chicken stock, some carrots, celery, onion, green beans, and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, here we are at the Santa Claus Christmas breakfast. Woo! And this is what I'm having. I'm having probably 3 eggs, I don't know for sure, 5 little pieces of bacon, and 2 little sausages. Now it's gonna be our first meal of the day. That breakfast was not quite enough for me. I didn't eat everything that was on my plate, so I came home, and this is what I'm gonna have in addition. This is a whole cup of 5% Fage Greek yogurt with 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, some cherry blackberry Mio water enhancer, and 25 grams of baked believe chocolate chips. And that is going to be the last part of my first meal of the day.
So hungry. I ate all my food without recording it, but I had a double patty melt with an avocado. How long we been here?
2 hours.
Like an hour and a half. Legitimately an hour and a half. It's so long. It is now
I should be sleeping.
12:02.
Well, there you have it. Everything that I ate this week in order to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that I gave you some ideas on what it might be like for you when you finally reach your goal weight on keto. Again, if you're looking for videos on how you can lose weight on keto and what you should eat, I'm going to go ahead and link some videos for you right over here. There should be something here. You can click it. Definitely click that if you're interested. Okay, yeah, anyway, so that's what you got to do if you want to lose weight. Also, don't forget to join us on Facebook on Ketochaos, and follow me on Instagram, Ketochaos. But definitely check out this Getting Started guide and What to Eat to Lose Weight playlist that will help you get started on your keto journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.